Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome everyone to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus. And here, another great value for money with really good specs and a price way below the competition. And go ahead and leave that like so you don't forget later. Also check if you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share as always to help us out, alright? Alright guys, now let's get to our unboxing with an initial review and first impressions of this smartphone, which is really awesome, iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus. Let's start the video. Unboxing begins with a black box labeled iQOO Z, showing the product version on the side. Note, this smartphone was released only in the Chinese version, so we don't have Brazilian Portuguese language by default, but we do have European Portuguese. And also remember that the Play Store already comes pre-installed here as well. I'll also demonstrate Android Auto in the video. Opening the box, we see the smartphone with a black silicone case and quick start guide underneath. And right below, we also have a charging and data transfer cable with USB-A on one end and USB-C on the other. There's also an ejector pin. And finally, we have a 90-watt turbo charger, which is really awesome. And now, with the device already in hand and fully set up, we have a 6.78-inch active matrix organic light emitting diode screen with a refresh rate of 144 Hz over a billion colors and a maximum brightness of 5,500 nits. That's a crazy amount of brightness. It has a very comfortable grip weighing 212 grams and it's 8.2 millimeters thick. And this silver color with a bluish tint, which I thought was the most beautiful. Check out the cool golden detail on the camera module's edges. It's really beautiful and deserves some praise. The power and volume buttons are on the right side. On the top, we have an infrared sensor and the noise-canceling microphone. On the left side, nothing, it's all smooth. And on the bottom, there's a dual nano SIM card 5G tray microphone, USB Type-C port, and stereo speaker output. The artificial intelligence that comes installed on it is Blue AI, and it has several features for texts. It also has functions like your personal secretary, so you can schedule appointments directly by asking your assistant. Okay? It works really well, but unfortunately some of its functions are in Chinese. But just to be sure, I installed Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer and Gemini on the device. You'll already have a nice AI assistant experience for it. As for the battery, it's incredible. 8,000 milliamp hours of silicon carbon. Guys, the performance is insane. It's absurd. The battery is a beast. It easily lasts all day, even with heavy use, okay? Depending on how you use the device, you might even get up to 2 days out of it, no problem, without any difficulty, all right? But if needed, you have a fast 90-watt charger. So if you reach the end of the second day and need to charge, grab the charger. Charging for 10-15 minutes will fix it. You'll have enough battery to get home, no worries. Now let's go to our processor test on Antutu. MediaTek Dimensity 9400 plus 3 nanometers hitting 2,200,000 points. Man, that's a top score. Reaching a maximum temperature of 39.8 degrees and losing only, guys, 2% of battery. Do you realize what that means? That's just insane. After a test like this, usually the devices lose about 7, 8, 9. I've even seen up to 10% of battery just to run an Antutu test. Guys, 2% is nothing. That already shows us that the battery is really awesome, for real. Now let's run a gaming test with it using our usual Call of Duty Mobile with the graphics. You can see everything is set to the max, everything at the highest settings. It's running really well without any kind of delay or lag, nothing. It's going really smoothly, guys. It's running very smoothly. This device's processor is excellent and it has IPMA5 certification, making it resistant to small drops and water splashes. But as I always say, be careful with your device because it's worth some money. As for the operating system, we have Origin Operating System 5 running with Android 15 on the device, and it also has near-field communication connection for making contactless payments, which works just fine, not only here in Spain, but also in Brazil, just like Android Auto, which I'll show you the image of right now, see? Just plug the cable into the car and it will work perfectly, no problems at all, without needing any extra installation, no tricks, nothing. The fingerprint unlock on the screen is very fast and facial unlock works smoothly as well. Both methods are quick and problem-free. And there are 4 versions of this smartphone here. 12 gigs of RAM with 256, 16 gigs of RAM with 256, 12 gigs of RAM with 512, and 16 gigs of RAM with 512. It supports 2 5G nano SIM cards, lacks eSIM support, and doesn't allow memory expansion. Now let's go to its audio and video test. Let's go, guys. Audio and video test of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus high quality 2160p. Let's turn the brightness up to the maximum, and the audio is already at maximum too. Let's rotate the screen, pinch to zoom, and get closer. The audio is stereo. Very good. The image is excellent too. Very beautiful. Guys, this device has great audio and image quality, okay? Its screen is really beautiful, the brightness is very strong, the colors are very well defined without distortion, without being off. The screen is really well adjusted. I liked it a lot. Its audio is also very good. No doubt it will serve you very well for whatever you need. Now I'll discuss its cameras, beginning with the front, which is 16 megapixels and records in full high definition 1080p at 30 FPS. Let's check out photos and videos taken with its front camera. And now here, guys, the front camera of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus, maximum resolution 1080p 30 FPS. Unfortunately, we don't have 4K here. Let's walk over here for some shade and see what it's going to deliver to us here in terms of high dynamic range. There you go, everything turns white over there. Really, let's click here on the sky. There, it makes the sky blue and darkens it for me. It's the same thing here. I clicked on myself now. Then it focuses on me and the sky turns white, all right? But there you go, guys, front camera. Now the sun is shining right here in front, look. Wonderful, iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus. Guys, it's a simple basic camera without stabilization or high dynamic range, but it covers your everyday needs. Not spectacular or high quality, just a simple camera, but it's what we have today. Now let's look at the back, which has 2 cameras, a main 50 megapixel with optical image stabilization, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide. All of this records in 4K at 60 FPS. Let's check out some photos and videos taken with its rear cameras. We're here, guys, with the rear camera of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus, maximum resolution 4K at 60 FPS with optical image stabilization. We can't switch to the wide angle. Let's zoom in up to 10 times. Look at how great the stabilization is. The image is a bit grainy too, but it's still very good. Let's go back to 1 times now and walk a little more for you guys. Look, I'm holding it only with my right hand. Look at me there, see, and I'm walking here, okay? Rear camera of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus. That's a different story, man, a whole other conversation. The rear cameras are much better than the front. With great 4K stabilization, I really like them. It seems like it's a completely different device from the front camera, right? It can't match the other one, but comment below with your thoughts. And now let's go to our final summary here with the positive points of this device in my opinion. Very good processor, insane battery, man, 90-watt turbocharging, very beautiful active matrix organic light emitting diode screen, very intense brightness, 5,500 nits, stereo sound, rear cameras, and especially its price, which is very affordable. And now let's go to the negative points also in my opinion. No wireless charging because this iQOO line never brings wireless charging. As I mentioned, its front camera doesn't match the rest of the device. It's a very simple camera, but anyway, overall I think the device as a whole is delivering even more than it should. I want to know your opinion, leave a comment down below. And before you go, don't forget to leave your like, check if you didn't do it at the beginning. Make sure you're subscribed, enable notifications, and share this video with friends or family who haven't seen it. They hadn't heard of this brand, but now see it offers quality products at affordable prices. That's it. We're in this together. Hope you enjoyed the video. God bless. Big hug. See you next time. Thanks. I'm out.